Alright guys, I'm just running in very, very quickly just to say this is the end result. Oh, you guys. Oh, I had a mild heart attack. Okay, getting ready to go out. It's a date night. So I'm just going to fast forward through this and enjoy the video. This is as good as it's gonna get. This might be a little bit too dark, but anyways, this is the end of the look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, so we're at the CNE inside because it's really cold outside. I need to get my eyebrows done. Just bathroom break, then we're heading back out there. I like these. You guys like these ones? Looks like this is something I already have. Not bad. What's up guys, it's Tari, nice to see you again. So just got back home. It's a Friday, thank the Lord. I ordered a package from Colourpop. This is the first order that I made ever to Colourpop, so a little bit excited. The reason why I ordered from Colourpop is because I wanted to buy the Fenty, is it called Body Lava or whatever, but that retails for 75 Canadian dollars, and I'm not spending pretty much $80 on no goddamn Body Lava. I'm sorry, I'm not doing it. I saw Colourpop had the Soul products, these ones. I saw that they had them on their website. So I was looking through them, put them in my cart, never really did anything about it because I'm like, I really don't need it right now. I saw this YouTuber, I don't know her complete name, but I know it's Jojoba in the end. So I'm gonna annotate her name here. She's wearing this beautiful red lipstick, and I was like, I gotta get that red lipstick. I made the order because I wanted the red lipstick more than I wanted the actual Sol. Is it called Soul? Sol Body. So I ordered two of these colors. I ordered the caramel shade and I ordered the golden shade. This one is the caramel shade. This is what golden looks like. I'm gonna put this right here. This is golden and this is caramel. Okay? Caramel, golden. So as you know, in Canada it's winter and the sun is no longer shining for the most part. But I bought the products because you can use them for pretty much anything you want. You can use them to go clubbing, you can use them during the holidays, you can use them when you go on holiday, you can use them for a date night, you can use them when you go to a club. Like, just because in Canada we have, 12 months out of the year is winter, it doesn't mean that, you can't use it for other things. All right, So, so you're in a new view because I just find it's easier for me to do it this way. So I got 3 new Lippies. 2 Lippies are from the Lippie stick line, which is this one, the Lippie stick line. So I got 2 Lippies from there. The first Lippie I got is called Trust Me. And then the next Lippie I got is called Love Life. All right, so this is Trust Me, and this is Love Life. And the color that I really wanted to get that I saw, this is from their liquid lipstick line. And the color is Arriba. Is ultra matte. And this is what Arriba looks like. I also got their foundation. I got their no filter foundation. And I got this one in the shade Dark 75. Let's see if we can swatch it. I don't want to pump it yet because this is what it looks like. Dark 75. Put some right here. Okay. That's Dark 75. Okay. Okay. Now, how have you guys been? Summer's over in Toronto, officially.